Welcome back to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a topic to discuss that's on every content creator's mind, understanding the YouTube per use policy. But before we continue, allow me to share a quick and short story. When I started blogging, I learned many creators. Some of them become friends, and it was really nice to see them shine on the vast ocean of YouTube. But not most of them are lucky to continue shining on the vast ocean of YouTube. Some of them are getting demonetized repeatedly by making the same mistake they have done before. So, in the event you need to keep a strategic distance from demonetization on YouTube and safeguard your hard-earned channel, you are currently watching the appropriate video to learn about the YouTube fair use policy. I'm your host, Boyet, and let's dive right in. What is fair use? It's a term you've likely listened sometime recently, but what does it really mean within the YouTube world? Basically put, fair use permits you to use copyrighted material in your videos without seeking explicit consent from the original maker. But there is a catch. To qualify for fair use, you must transform the content in a significant way, such as through commentary, criticism, parody, or educational purposes. It's all about adding your own unique spin. The four factors of fair use. Alright, let's break it down further. YouTube considers four factors to determine if you use a copyrighted material falls under fair use. Remember this like the back of your hand. First, the purpose and character of your use. Are you adding value, offering a fresh perspective, or providing educational content? That's a big green check mark for fair use. Second, the nature of copyrighted work. Is it factual or highly creative? The more factual it is, the better your chances of fair use. Third, substantiality of the portion used. It is vital to utilize as it were what's necessary for the purpose. Small snippets are generally safer than using an entire word. And finally, the effect of your use upon the potential work. Will it harm the original creator's revenue? In case your video doesn't act as a replacement for the original producer, you're on the proper route. Tips to avoid demonetization. Tip number 1. Be original. It is advisable to create your own video material as much as possible. The more you rely on copyrighted content, the higher the possibility of sliding into a YouTube demonetization. Tip number 2. Use licensed or royalty-free music, images, and videos. There are various sites out there that convey high-quality material that won't harm your hardly earned monetized YouTube channel. Tip number 3. Provide proper attribution. If you do utilize copyrighted content, be sure you acknowledge the original creator and make sure follow the YouTube guidelines concerning the fair use policy. And finally, tip number 4. Consult a legal expert if you're unsure about fair use. Getting professional advice can save you from potential headaches down the road. Alright, my fellow creators, that's a wrap. Understanding the YouTube fair use policy is the key to avoiding demonetization and keep those precious dollars rolling in. Remember, fair use is a balancing act, but with the right approach, you can navigate it successfully. Stay informed, stay creative, and keep producing amazing content. As continually, don't disregard to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies to grow on YouTube. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy creating.